here's another episode of the Lego Mango Show, and I took some stuff apart, and I took that white thing away, and I replaced it with these two things, and today we're actually going to be making a creeper. So you'll need these pieces, and you'll need some of them. I'm just going to tell you how to build it. You'll need to put these on that. You're going to take this and this, and you're going to put one, and you're going to put them both facing the same way so you can't see both the smiles. And you're going to put the gray actually in front of the blue, and you're going to put the blue behind it. And you actually want the eyes to be seen on the gray, dark gray kind of. But on the other one, you're going to be doing the same thing with the bricks. There's the creeper. Here's this creeper. Here's the creeper. Here's the creeper from the side. And here's the creeper from the back. And here's the creeper from the other side. And here's the creeper. And this is and that's the creeper. And I'm actually going to show you what the creeper would look like if you put him on the motorcycle. See, this is what he would look like if you put him on the motorcycle. That would be what it would look like. It looks kind of funny to me. See a creeper. If creepers were real in real life, it would be funny to see one was driving a motorcycle, wouldn't it? Let's try to pick this up. And this is actually what I'm trying to work on and trying to build still. Still trying to build it. But now I'm actually going to get this now and take this off. And put this on there. Now I'm going to put this on right here. And that's it now. And it's starting to be a cannon. And it's going to be a cannon or a spaceship thing, kind of. That's what it's going to be. It's either going to be a cannon or part of the background or a ship or something. I'll keep this in there. And I'm going to put this on top of it. And actually, I'm going to put the Minecraft things like right here. That's where I'm going to put my Minecraft enemies. And I'm actually going to take these two things off and put them up there. And that's where I'm going to put my Minecraft good guys. And this is where my Minecraft bad guys are going to be, right here. Well, I should actually position it right in the middle, kind of. And this is where it's going to be. Right here. That's how it's going to be. And this is actually going to be a ship. And this is my Indiana Jones ship. Now it's my Indiana Jones ship mini build. And there's the creeper. And you can actually, and sometimes you could see this on YouTube, some of them. In the future, you could see some of them on YouTube. But so far, you can only see them at my house. And I'm Jackson.